Gimp, short for New Image Manipulation Program, is a free and open-source raster graphics editor that can be used for a wide variety of tasks, including graphic design. Despite being a free software, Gimp provides many of the same features and capabilities as expensive proprietary software like Adobe Photoshop. One of the main advantages of Gimp for graphic design is its flexibility. It offers a wide range of tools for editing and retouching images, including brushes, filters, and color correction tools. With Gimp, you can easily adjust levels, brightness, contrast, and saturation, as well as crop, resize, and rotate images. It also offers advanced features like layer masks, which allow you to selectively edit different parts of an image without affecting the rest of it. Another advantage of Gimp is its support for a wide range of file formats. It can open and save files in formats such as JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and more. It also supports the use of plugins, which can be used to add new features or improve existing ones. This flexibility allows graphic designers to work with a wide range of clients and projects, regardless of their file formats. Gimp also offers a range of features that are particularly useful for graphic designers. The software allows you to work with vectors as well as raster graphics, making it a great tool for creating logos and other vector-based designs. It also has a built-in text tool, which allows you to easily add and edit text to your designs. Plus, Gimp's scripting engine, ScriptFoo and PythonFoo, allows users to automate repetitive tasks and extend the software's capabilities. One of the most significant advantages of Gimp for graphic designers is its price. Unlike proprietary software like Photoshop, Gimp is completely free to download and use. This can save designers and studios a significant amount of money in the long run, especially for those who are just starting out. Overall, Gimp is a powerful, flexible, and cost-effective tool for graphic design. Its wide range of features and support for multiple file formats makes it a great choice for designers of all levels, from beginners to professionals. With Gimp, you can create high-quality graphics, logos, and designs without breaking the bank.